Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove items in a dictionary. Here is my dictionary called person. It has 4 keys and 4 values: name, age, city, email, and Alice 25, New York, Alice at example.com. And we would like to remove this key and its associated value from our dictionary. To do that, I use the del keyword. Then I type down the name of my dictionary. Then I have open bracket. Then in the bracket, I type down the name of the key that I would like to remove. And then I close the bracket here. When I print my dictionary here and I run the code, we see name Alice, so the first key and its value is there. We see age and 25, it's here, and then we see email and the email address here. And we see there is no print in the output of the city and the New York. It means that using the del keyword, we accessed the person dictionary to remove the city, key, and its associated values. So basically, this is how we can remove items from our dictionary. Thank you for watching.